Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb BMW 5 Series. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and open the hood before you begin. Gather tools, screwdriver, replacement bulb, and gloves. Identify the headlight housing and check the owner manual for access points. Work in good light, keep screws safe, and avoid touching the glass of the new bulb to prevent oil transfer. Start by confirming the exact bulb type needed for your BMW. Cross-check the part number before buying. Lay out a cloth, screwdriver set, and protective gloves within reach. Remove the negative battery terminal only if specified by your manual. Organize screws in order to simplify reassembly. Double-check seals and connectors for wear and replace any brittle clips to ensure a snug, weatherproof fit when finished. Locate the back of the headlight housing and find the bulb cap or access panel to remove. Unplug the connector, depress the retaining clip, and gently remove the old bulb. Handle the new bulb by the base, avoiding the glass, and seat it firmly in the socket. Reattach the connector and replace the cap or panel. Test the headlight function and adjust the aim if necessary for proper alignment before final checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.